welcome back. Nyamin's family, you love me too much, oh, excess love, oh. Family, we hit the 1K. Nyamin's family, you love me too much, and I love you too. I thank God and I thank you, all my day one supporters. Big up yourself, and all my newbies. Much love to you guys. Guys, you know we're gonna celebrate later on, okay? Anyway, today we are doing an easy and delicious recipe, as you can see in the description below. So let's do it. Alright family, here are our ingredients for our delicious carrot punch. I have 7 carrots here that is already washed. Yes, well washed. I don't scrape them because as you can see, these carrots are smooth, but sometimes you have some carrots that are very dirty and rough. So maybe it's best you scrape. If your carrot is like that, it's best you scrape it. I have 3 Irish. Yes, this Irish here is gonna give your carrot punch a buzz. You know that little extraordinary touch? Yeah. And here I have a milk, condensed milk. Don't watch the name, it's because I'm in Germany, but it's condensed milk. Here I have nutmeg, I have cinnamon, and I have vanilla. I have malta. I am using malta because my children is gonna drink it too. But normally if you're making carrot punch only for adults, you can use Guinness or Dragon. Yeah. So okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the carrots. So I'm cutting them in small pieces, and then we're gonna go ahead and boil them. Okay, so now that our carrots are cut and our Irish are cut in pieces, I'm now gonna go ahead and boil them. Over here, I have some hot water here boiling. So I'm now gonna pour them in. And they're gonna boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, you want to make sure that they're cooked. Okay, so we're gonna leave our carrots and our Irish there to boil, and then we come back. All right. So okay guys, we're now gonna check on our carrots. They should be cooked by now. See, it is cooked. That's enough. And guys, it can take you 20 to 30 minutes, because actually this took me about 30 minutes to be cooked, because you want to get it really soft, because we're not gonna strain it, we're just gonna blend it right out. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna set it aside to cool. Yes, and after it is cool, we can continue with the process. Maybe you're wondering why I hold the pot without any dish towel or so, or pot holder. Is because it's a pot that does not transfer the heat to the handle. Okay. So see you later. So okay guys, we're now gonna blend. If you notice, I don't throw away the water, okay? That is important. So I'm now gonna put it in the blender here. And then I'm now gonna go in with our malta, right? Malta. Karamalz in Germany, but it's malta. Don't watch the name, it's because I'm in Germany. Remember I said if you're making it for adults, you can use Guinness or Dragon. But malta is non-alcoholic. Okay, we're now gonna blend. want to blend and make sure that it's very smooth. Okay? Alright, it should be ready now. So it's all smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into our juice jug. Look at it, guys. Very thick and rich. I have a little bit more malta here. I'm gonna add it in. Nice and rich. So it's too much for this jug, so I'm gonna put this aside. I'll have to do another mix. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna add a little salt. Just a little bit. That's it. That is even too much. Just like that to bring up the taste. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add on milk, condensed milk. It's not the all of it, some is there. Later I can check for taste. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of cinnamon. Not too much, just like that. A little bit more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some nutmeg. This is grounded nutmeg, but if you have the fresh one, you can use it, of course. Alright. Just like that, not too much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some vanilla. This is vanilla paste. Okay, the proportion of what I'm using, guys, will be in the description below. So we're now gonna mix. Now mix it all up. Wow, look at this, guys. Rich. Wow. This in Jamaica, normally we make it on a Sunday. Yes, it's a Sunday special. Carrot juice. I love carrot juice. Beautiful. So I'm now gonna taste it. Wow, creamy and nice. Delicious. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. Just a little bit more. If you want, guys, you can add sugar as well, but I'm not adding any sugar. Rich and nice. Lovely. There you have it, guys. Our rich carrot juice. Wow, I'm spilling here. So I'm now gonna pour out some of our delicious carrot punch. Yes, guys. But I'm gonna put in some ice cubes into this glass here. Guys, this carrot punch is so flavorful. It is just amazing. Guys, try it. You will love it. Okay, look at it. Rich and flavorful. Wow. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Guys, I want to thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.